Thanks for coming to CoinGraph Market. Here is where we change your crypto journey. Are you sick of keeping an eye on the market all the time? Thanks to our $1,000 $100,000 trading challenge, you can trade like a pro without having to sit at your computer all day. It only costs $79 a month. You can instantly copy the trades I make. Sign up for Satoshi Swiss today and step up your crypto game. Let's take over the world of crypto together. To join, click on the first link in the description below. Now let's get to the movie. Yet another positive comment from the president of Ripple. It doesn't matter how much you know about cryptocurrency, I think a big change is coming soon. People who bought Ripple at a discount are likely to be remembered as the first people who took risks. But this risk is not taken easily. What you're about to see in this movie is proof of that. As was already said, not even the head of Ripple could keep quiet during such an important event. Let's get right to the point. Pulling out. Let's break this down. It's been a while since Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission got into a court case. The Stocks and Exchange Commission accuses Ripple of selling their cryptocurrency, XRP, as unregistered stocks. Now things start to get interesting. Not long ago, Ripple won in court. A lot of people in the cryptocurrency world saw this as a positive sign. But the Securities and Exchange Commission did not like what the court said. The case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission is not over yet, as both sides plan to appeal the ruling. It's important for the whole Bitcoin market that this case is still going on. It is important to understand the difference between stocks and cryptocurrencies in this situation. Securities, which are controlled by the Securities and Exchange Commission to protect investors, are investments in a company, like stocks and bonds. Still, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ripple's XRP work in different ways. They use their digital assets for different things and don't always connect them to a business or investment. Now, Ripple's CEO has dropped a hint that the cryptocurrency space might change in a big way by 2024. People are interested in this theory because it points to a big change or improvement in the Bitcoin field. It is very important to keep an eye on this because it could change how people think about and regulate cryptocurrency in the future. The outcome of this ongoing court case could set a standard for how the US government sees and deals with cryptocurrencies, which could have an effect on the whole cryptocurrency market. The head of Ripple believes that the Bitcoin market is about to go through a big change. He thinks that the time when price changes were mostly caused by speculation is ending. A time will come when cryptocurrencies will be useful in the real world, he thinks. The price of cryptocurrencies like XRP and others has gone up and down a lot in the past because of all the talk and discussion about them. The president of Ripple said that things will be different from now on. People will no longer just trade in cryptocurrencies in the hopes that their value will rise. Instead, they will be used for useful things like making payments and powering new technology. As cryptocurrencies move towards useful uses, they might become more than just digital assets that buyers hold on to in the hopes of making a profit. Some people might even start to take them for granted. They're useful for many things, like making purchases, sending money, and even allowing cutting-edge applications in many fields. The president of Ripple made predictions about how the cryptocurrency market would stop going through sudden highs and lows. Instead, we are moving towards a time when cryptocurrencies will be helpful. She stressed how important it was to deal with important issues like legal compliance, making it easier to use cryptocurrencies, and integrating them into existing systems. By stressing obedience, she draws attention to the fact that cryptocurrencies need to follow the rules and laws set by the government. This is very important for the growth of the industry and for getting the trust of businesses and customers. Usability means that cryptocurrency should be simple to use and open to more people than just computer geeks. Integrating them into existing systems means that they should work perfectly with established financial institutions. She believes that focusing on these aspects will be very important for figuring out how the field grows. If you work on compliance, usefulness, and integration, cryptocurrencies can become useful tools that people can use in their daily lives. This will help them become more than just investments. It's possible that this change will be a big step towards wider acceptance and use in the business. The president of Ripple thinks that big changes will happen in 2024, especially in the field of decentralized finance. This is when people do business with money without using traditional agents. Think about a town market where people buy and sell things directly with each other instead of going through a business. It's like decentralized banking in that way. Digital tools and smart contracts, which are online deals that run on their own instead of going through a bank, let people talk to each other directly. She talks about how important the internet is and how important it is to follow the rules, especially when it comes to decentralized banking. She thinks that making sure that decentralized financial systems follow the law is very important for restoring trust in the Bitcoin community. There have been problems and setbacks in the world of Bitcoin that have led to negative reactions. Ripple's president says that making compliance a top concern and a core value is the only way to get past these problems. Following the rules and laws is important for making the Bitcoin community a safer place to be. She also says that the Bitcoin industry needs to make sure that its tools work well in a decentralized setting. This means following the rules and coming up with new ideas that can work in a decentralized setting. Adding compliance methods to decentralized systems is the next big thing in blockchain technology that will happen soon. How do you feel about that? Do you agree with the president of Ripple? Tell me in the comments. But what does it have to do with the coin Ripple, XRP? Please allow me to explain. Recently, the president of Ripple said that the cryptocurrency space needs major changes to the rules and should be easy for users to use. This made me wonder if XRP, Ripple's coin, would work hard over the next year to add those ideas to the Ripple system. A lot of people see the Ripple system and think that Ripple will win their case in court. They have high hopes for the company. They have high hopes that the steps the president has talked about will happen soon. A lot of people already know that Ripple makes it easy to send money to other countries. It goes by very quickly. Just 2 taps on your phone screen are all it takes to send money quickly and cheaply. In fact, it's kind of like a miracle. This makes me wonder if Ripple's price will go through the roof in the new year and even go above its all-time high of almost $4 per coin.